Hi everyone, I'm Robert,
I'm Emmy.
and this is TLC Summer Session A, Level 1, Class 3, 6 count. So this week we got into closed finally, so we've been doing everything in open. We did follow to closed to start, and from this point of view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for leads, I think the main signal is this hand, right? So we want put this hand out. The fall's gonna travel to that.
Follows can see the arm going out, but also we feel that tension, and we just go with that. Get our arm up and out of the way, and then make sure our backs are up against the lead's arm for that good connection.
Yeah, and the tension that Emmy talked about comes from the rock step. So it's a lead move. Normally with our rock step, we have a bit of this gap between our arm and our torso, and then we come back. But as a lead, if I keep my weight behind me, see, that'll naturally bring the follow into closed. So instead of pulling Emmy in, this gap and then in, if I just stay back, a back hold, and I can bring my front foot back, that'll help pull or direct the partner towards me without me having to do anything.
And that's a much nice, natural pull, rather than we trying to use a afterward pull, which would be jerky for the follow. We just kind of keep going with the momentum because we have no other choice.
Yeah. And you can think about it where if we have a good connection, if I start walking back, my partner's going to move with me. So I just start that and then stop. Ba. And then from there, with the arm, I just catch Emmy, rock, step, triple. And the second triple is to sort of finish it off so we're facing the right way. And that's pretty much it. So once you have this, now we're in closed. And we talked about like traveling the basic, right?
Yeah, which utilizes this important connection of the arm on the back, as well as the follow's arm on the lead's arm.
So really what you can do is instead of just being stuck in one spot, I can use this to kind of turn and travel as needed. We didn't get into sort of the details of this too much, but the way it really works is if you use the two triples to kind of orient or travel the way you want. So if I want to turn 90 degrees, the rock step is mostly the same, and then I kind of use the triple to kind of edge to the way I want, and then the rock step is the same. If I want to travel back, same thing, stable, turn, turn, rock step, turn, turn, rock step, turn, rock step, stay. So that's kind of how you can find the right cadence to move easily.
And you'll notice that we were not using these hands for most of that traveling, but it is optional.
Yeah, exactly. It's all about the connection on the back. From here we did a tuck turn, which I guess we should do from a couple angles. It's a turn into open. It looks like do-ba, do-ba-da, do-ba-da. Or from here, open.
So, well, the lead's gonna lead that with this arm, and I'm just gonna feel that rotational rock step as a kind of wind up, which takes us to this important kind of pressurized position.
Yeah.
On the first triple that powers us up to finish the turn on the second triple.
Exactly. So as a lead, I'm going to do a rotational rock step. So instead of stepping back, I'm going to open us up. So you have this out and in, and then the hand comes up. And to lead that, I just have this elbow, and I just straighten, and that'll open the follow-up, provided the follow stays glued. So you can see I got the hand hold, and you have that open and triple in. Very little this handhold, it will be in between us, and it's equal pressure. And from here, the only way out is through. So Annie's gonna travel and turn.
And we do end up with an unusual handhold, which
the lead can just fix at their leisure. One thing is when you're here, it's natural as a lead to want to help guide your partner through, but it's easy to overdo it. So I just kind of use my elbow and just nudge them out, and that's kind of all the lead that they need from me. And that's pretty much it. So we did a couple iterations of this and built on it, and we're going to add more stuff to it next week. Bye.